Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Once upon a time, I lived in Pakistan, Karachi, bustling city of lights, where the people were sweet, a melting pot of traditions, and every day I gathered with people of all backgrounds, lived a beautiful life, had fun with my friends all day long. But I didn't know what it meant to be of any sexual orientation other than heterosexual. Until one day, my family and I moved here to the US for a better future, leaving behind our home, our extended family, and everything we knew was not easy. But we were excited about the new opportunities that awaited us. However, the initial transition was tough. The language, the culture, and the way of life were very different from what I was used to back home. I remember feeling like an outsider in my own skin, but because of that, I got exposed to different religions and sexual identities. Even though I didn't know anything about LGBTQ plus people, when I came here, I gained a deeper understanding of everything as life went through, and from that, I had to situate my beliefs alongside what I learned. I respect all people's rights, but it doesn't mean I have compromised my faith and agreed to something that Islam doesn't allow. To me, respecting everyone's rights means that everyone should be free of violence and discrimination and treated equally, not just heterosexual and cisgender people. I hope in the future we all share equal values of respect, even if we have different religious beliefs. For more information on youth, sexual health, and well being, please visit sf.gov/youth.